over the voter roll revision, ECI or the Election Commission of India has now issued a big statement. Now, this is coming at a time when answers that have now been sought from the opposition bloc over what they have been claiming that this is NRC via backdoor, that attempt that is now being made by the Election Commission of India. But this seems to be another development that has now taken place where the ECI seems to have now issued a big statement ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, and also coming at a time where the opposition parties have now sought for an explanation from the Election Commission of India. The ECI now coming out with a statement where the EC, according to sources of the previous meeting that was sought by the officials of the Election Commission of India, that has now been deferred. But let's get on a word from Nyamika, who is connected with us right now. Nyamika, good morning. The opposition seeks for a meeting and then doesn't confirm for the meeting. How do we understand the opposition's role on it? Are they on the same page? And what is the issue that they are seeking a meeting with the Election Commission?
Well, yes, an India Bloc party delegation was supposed to meet the Election Commission of India today to discuss over the Bihar SIR exercise which is currently going on, and for that reason we have seen in the past as well that how the India Bloc party, specifically if we talk about the Congress party in particular, they are continuously opposing this exercise by the Election Commission of India. But now the latest information which we are getting is that Election Commission of India has given this statement by sources that there is no confirmation which had been given on the part of these India Bloc parties that whether they are going to come and meet the ECI officials or not, because the timing which was being given to these parties was of 5 o'clock in the evening, in which various India Bloc parties including Congress, RJD, CPI, CPIML, UBT, Sena and the other parties were also being included in that particular delegation, and they were supposed to meet the Election Commission officials regarding this SIR exercise in the state of Bihar just ahead of the assembly polls. But now because there is no confirmation which has been given on the part of these India Bloc parties, now the ECI has stated that this meeting has been deferred, and for that reason we have just spoken to several of the leaders of the India Bloc parties, and they have confirmed that they haven't got any kind of official statement or any kind of official remark from ECI side, and they had just got to know about the meeting that is supposed to take place at 5 o'clock in the evening, and they were they are also expected to go there today evening to meet these officials to discuss over this entire exercise, because they are saying that it is not possible to conduct this complete revision of the electoral rolls within the time period of 30 days, because currently there is monsoon session which is going on, and in this particular season there are also floods, and for that reason there is displacement of the people in the state of Bihar, because of which it would be really difficult for the Election Commission of India to complete this entire exercise within the time frame of 30 days. And they are also
so the SIR, which is Special Intensive Revision in Bihar, according to the Election Commission, is progressing smoothly and is being planned strictly as per the orders that have been issued, and also giving out a warning that any misinformation being spread should rather be ignored. But for now, what we are learning that this meeting that was earlier planned for today with the opposition bloc, according to reports, has been postponed. Nyamika, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you more details coming up on the other side.